What is up, beautiful babes? Sweet Angel in the building.
She walks through fire, yet her spirit never fades. Each tear she's cried has built the woman she became. Soft as a whisper, loud as a storm. She's been breaking chains.
Girl, it was not a long night, but I don't know what happened. I just fell asleep with my makeup on, and honey, I don't know what's up, but I've got to remove it, so why not share the process with y'all? So I did actually have on lash extensions, so I'm having to use my micellar water to remove the lashes and the makeup. So that's what I'm doing right now.
She's got hands that heal and words that light the way. Lifts up the broken even when she's in pain. Carries her story like a sacred flame.
So the micellar water that I'm using is by Garnier. Garnier Micellar Water Hydrating Facial Cleanser, Makeup Remover. Great for sensitive skin, and y'all, great for removing these lash extensions as well. And just taking off the day, or might I say, the night.
With a heart that's been tested but never regrets. She's the rhythm of hope you can't forget. Yeah, there's power in her voice, strength in her step. She's the prayer her grandma whispered. She's the song her mama sang. She's the fire of every sister, rising higher through the pain. Oh, there's power in her voice, strength in her steps. She's a storm and a shelter, no need to impress. With every move she makes, the world gets blessed.
And now I'm just taking a cotton round along with the micellar water to get rid of the makeup as well. Y'all, I love this micellar water, so check it out. I do have links always below. Y'all know I do earn commissions on those goodies if you should purchase using my links.
Talks like light, a melody of courage that echoes through the night.
Before I hop in the shower, I'm going to go ahead and do a face mask. And the one that I'm using in this video is the Chavog or Chaviog. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but I've used it so many times. It's a vitamin C face mask with kaolin clay and turmeric that helps with dark spots, dull skin, and just great for like controlling oil if you have oily skin. And of course, as I get older, my pores are getting more prominent, so it helps to cleanse those pores and refine them as well. So love it. It is available on Amazon, so you can check out the links again below for that.
There's power in her voice, strength in her steps. She's got hands that heal and words that light the way. Lifts up the broken even when she's in pain. Carries her story like a sacred flame. Won't let the world forget her name.
All right, face mask done. Now I'm hopping in the shower now. I'm not taking out with me this time around, but I'll see you in a minute. So y'all, something new I've tried for my hair recently has been this Cream of Nature curly hair styling kit with argan oil of Morocco. I hear this is one of Keke Palmer's favorites, so Now, I had to try it out, and actually, I see why. It has in this bundle, it was a 3-pack. It had the curl activator cream, and it's thick, it's creamy, and it works amazingly for the curls. It also came with a styling mousse and a leave-in treatment. And what I really love about these products is how they work together without building up or drying out my hair. So I really love that. And they're all infused with argan oil of Morocco, which gives my hair a natural shine and a softness without feeling greasy. Yes, indeed. I love that. And they won't break the bank either, baby.
Heaven's duet, power in her voice, strength in her step. She walks like freedom.
Hey, beautiful babies, what you're looking at right now is something I've been needing. My skin has been needing. If you ever feel like your skin just isn't giving what it should, that's where this little gem is going to come in at. This is Avon's Beyond Glow Niacinamide 10% plus panthenol serum. It's packed with niacinamide, also known as vitamin B3, to help even out your skin tone and make it look more refreshed. Then there's the panthenol, the pro vitamin B5, which keeps your skin hydrated and smooth. I use this in the morning and at night, and it absorbs fast. No stickiness, no heaviness. This is just a sample pack, but I have stocked up on the full size because, girl, what? Actually, this little sample pack has lasted me over this whole week, okay? Since adding it to my routine, my skin feels softer and looks more balanced. If you're looking for something to bring your glow back, hey, this is it. Y'all, just look at my skin after applying this serum. You're going to love it. And yes, my Avon ambassador link is in the description box. I'm telling you about it because I'm loving it myself. My skin loves this Avon Beyond Glow Niacinamide Serum. And not only that, y'all, I have been using the Avon's Beyond Glow Niacinamide 10% all-in-one cream at night. Right now, I'm going to use it during the day because my skin needs it, but I love this. It is like magic in a jar. It hydrates, it smooths fine lines, and gives my skin a healthy glow. All in one step, just all in one step with niacinamide, squalane, panthenol, and shea butter. It helps to lock in moisture and makes my face feel soft and refreshed. I use it again morning and night. It's recommended to use at night, but I use it morning and night. My skin feels firmer, it looks brighter, and just happier. But if you're using it in the daytime and going outside, make sure, you should already be doing this anyway, I shouldn't even have to say this, but use a sunscreen. But if you want that glowing fresh look without the fuss, this cream is it. All right, beautiful babes, I am finito. And just like that, my skin is feeling alive again. If you've ever slept in your makeup, don't worry. We all have those nights. The key is having the right products to bring your glow back. Let me know in the comments which skincare product you're currently loving. And don't forget to like this video. If you have not already, subscribe to the channel and hit that little bell so you won't miss a skincare rescue with me. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. And beautiful babes, y'all know what to do. Please share me with your world, and also stay radiant. Bye.
She walks through fire, yet her spirit never fades. Each tear she's cried has built the woman she became. Soft as a whisper, loud as a storm. She's been breaking chains since the day she was born. They tried to silence her truth, but oh, she sings it anyway. With every scar she's proof you can rise after the break. There's power in her voice, strength in her steps. She don't need no crown to command respect. With a heart that's been tested but never regrets, she's a rhythm of hope you can't forget. Yeah, there's power in her voice, strength in her steps. She's got hands that heal and words that light the way. Lifts up the broken even when she's in pain. Carries her story like a sacred flame. Won't let the world forget her name. They tried to box her in, but her soul was made to fly. She don't just survive, she's the reason others try. There's power in her voice, strength in her steps. She don't need no crown to command respect. With a heart that's been tested but never regrets, she's the rhythm of hope you can't forget. Yeah, there's power in her voice, strength in her steps. She's the prayer her grandma whispered. She's the song her mama sang. She's the fire of every sister, rising higher through the pain. Oh, there's power in her voice, strength in her steps. She's a storm and a shelter, no need to impress. With every move she makes, the world gets blessed. She's a woman, a warrior, heaven's duet. Power in her voice, strength in her steps. She walks like freedom, talks like light, a melody of courage that echoes